Hello beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be unboxing November's ice cream beauty box, which I have right here ready to be opened. I already opened it because this is the look using some of the products in there. That will be in the next video, or either, yeah, that will be in the next video. This one's going to go up first. So let's see what we have for this month. And I know it's a Thanksgiving themed, which the card is right here, and is the November Friendsgiving theme. And you can see the turkey, you can see the pumpkin pie, the little pumpkins over here, and the leaves. It's so cute. So let's see. The first thing I see in here is this box. It says serum on it by Mirabella, which retails for $28, and it says this is a retinol replenishing serum. Unleash the power of retinol in your beauty routine. Retinol is one of the most recommended products by dermatologists for anti-aging. Ooh. So it says if you are new using retinol, use only 1 to 2 drops per week at night and gradually increase usage. Well, that's good to know. I want to try this. I don't think I've ever tried like a serum just of retinol before, so I want to try this. Let me see how the bottle looks like. I'm glad that they're adding more skincare to their boxes. Oh, it's a dropper, perfect. Let me see if it has any scent. I hope it doesn't. Skincare should not have scent to it. No, I don't think it does. It has a weird smell, but I think it's because of the chemicals in it and stuff like that, but it's not scented. So I can't wait to try that. I have to use it at least a couple of weeks to actually know if it does anything for me. So I'll keep you posted on that. Then I see here this little jar of Beauty Moon Cosmetics. This is the loose duochrome pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics. It retails for $8. This is a loose pigment that can be used as highlight, eyeshadow, or an eyeshadow topper. And I don't think I've tried anything from that brand either. Let's see the color. It looks white. I haven't tried this yet, so it's not on my eyes or anything. It's very loose, so let me just grab a little bit of it here. It's very glittery. Okay, you need a wet base for this. It didn't stick at all. Okay, it's definitely a topper. It's definitely a topper. And I highly suggest if you use this, you have to put a sticky base underneath because it gets everywhere. It flies away everywhere. So it's pretty though. I don't know if you could tell, it's straight up glitter, really. And again, if you're gonna use this as a highlighter, be careful with it because it's just chunky glitters and it kind of gets everywhere. So use a sticky base first. And when you go like that, it fades away, so sticky base. And let's see over here, I see this box by CZ. This retails for $24, and this is the Cherry Red Liquid Liner by CZ Cosmetics. And it says, create sharp defined lines with the precision tip. You can go thin or subtle, or you can create a dramatic wing. It's, I guess, a red shade. And I've tried a couple of things from CZ, but not their liners, the liquid liners. I like the packaging. And yes, it's like a dark red. I think I'm gonna like this. I have to try this out in another video. It looks great. Okay, what else? Okay, I see here the Delanchi Cheek Blusher. It's a blush. Let me open it up. This is what I have on. It's on the peachy side. I don't know which side you can see it better, because I added that highlighter on top and it kind of faded the blush, but I'll show you now. This retails for $10 and is an affordable blush that is perfect to take with you on the go. And it says where you can apply it. This is the shade. It's on the peach side. In person, if you pack it on, it looks neon almost. It's very pigmented, very easy to use. It's not patchy or anything like that. And we reapply so you can actually see it. And for me personally, I don't like peachy blushes, but honestly, I like this one. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I do like it, and I know I'm gonna continue using it. So if you like orangey shades, this one's great. I like this one a lot. Again, that video will be up so you can see me use it for the first time without the highlighter on, so you can really see the color. That video will be up after this one. And last but not least is the palette right here. This is the Friendsgiving palette by Saints Angel Sinners Cosmetics in collaboration with Eyescream Beauty. It's so pretty. It brings a mirror, top right here. And these are the shades. Definitely this row over here is the one that is more Thanksgiving-y. And this purple is amazing quality. It's so pigmented. You don't need to build it up or anything. You get the payoff right off the bat. I love it. And I also tried these two glitters, not glitters, they're duochromes. Amazing. You have to watch that video to see how it created this look. I love this palette. The quality is amazing. So I'm happy that I got this. I've never tried anything from that brand and I absolutely love it. The mattes are awesome as well. And that palette retails for $50. It includes 5 mesmerizing duochromes, 1 lustrous shimmer shade, and 6 richy pigment mattes, which I agree. That is everything that I got in this box for this month. I loved it. I have to try the rest of the products and I'll keep you posted in the description box if I liked it or not. But so far, everything that I tried, I love. So I just want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. If you do celebrate it, I hope you have a great time. Stay safe out there and eat a lot. Because that's what I'm going to be doing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.